Hey there, fellow gardeners and community enthusiasts. Today I want to dive into a fascinating event that took place in Chesterfield County, Virginia, and how it's empowering communities to grow their own food. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of gardening and community building. So what's all the buzz about? Well, nearly 800 people turned out for the third annual seed swap hosted by the Chesterfield County Cooperative Extension. This event is a true gem, offering a unique opportunity for residents to connect, learn, and take home thousands of free seeds and plants. But it's not just about the seeds. It's about knowledge sharing and community empowerment. Daniel Lovegood, the volunteer coordinator, explained that the event's mission goes beyond seeds. It's about making gardening accessible and affordable for everyone, from beginners to experienced growers. One of the things that immediately stands out to me is the event's focus on removing barriers. Gardening can sometimes feel intimidating, especially for those new to it. But with this seed swap, attendees can try out different seeds and plants without any financial risk. It's a brilliant way to encourage people to take that first step into gardening. And the best part? Gardening is truly for everyone, regardless of space or experience. You don't need a huge lawn. You can garden in a bucket, a straw bale, or a raised bed. It's an inclusive activity that brings people together. The event also featured activities for children, ensuring that the next generation is engaged and excited about gardening. It's a wonderful way to create a community of green-thumbed individuals. From my perspective, this seed swap is a brilliant initiative that not only empowers individuals to grow their own food, but also fosters a sense of community and connection. It's a beautiful example of how a simple idea can have a profound impact. So what do you think? Are you inspired to attend a seed swap or start your own gardening journey? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Until next time, happy gardening and community building.